Well, what do we have here? Pudding's first day, do you remember it?
Yes. Shelly liked the pudding.
Yes, it was Shelly and she came
Shelly and Diane.
and I think it was Shelly traveled like an hour.
Yeah, Shelly was staying somewhere else, not near Coach St. Luke, and she traveled an hour. She found pudding, I think, somewhere in downtown.
No, it was not.
One of the backyards somewhere.
But not in downtown.
Oh, acha.
It was out of Montreal, as far as I know.
Oh.
Because it took her 2-3 hours to come here. Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember. It was a rainy day, I remember.
And what was that? And he was just paid, neutered.
Yeah.
So he was
all
woozy. See, he just wanted water.
We didn't even know how to react because never spend time with a cat. Me to never spend time with any kind of pets like you.
I mean, you have fostered dogs.
Oh yeah, I fostered, yes.
But I have never spent time with cats either because
right.
I think I was under the misconception that they are like dogs.
Yeah.
So I ran after them and then they kept running away. So
we didn't even know how to pet him.
No. I was petting him on the head like a dog. Yep. That was me.
Well. Yeah. That's me sitting right beside him being all weird.
Because I remember ये तब का टाइम है जब हमें बोला था कि एक मतलब you cannot remove him from the bathroom for the night, and we were just taking turns.
Yes.
So this was you taking turn and recording him with one hand.
Yeah.
And
I remember.
I was outside.
Yeah.
This is so crazy. Oh, you baap re.
Lol. He was so comfortable already. It was very funny क्योंकि इतना फर्स्ट टाइम मिला था वो हमसे एंड इवन देन ही वाज ऑल
वो अभी भी ऐसे ही करता है.
ऐसे ही करता है वो.
That for your attention. If he wants your attention, he bites your elbow.
बट कितना पतला था वो, कितना मैलनरिश टाइप था वो बेचारा. अंडरनरिश था एकदम ही.
And he was woozy.
Jumbo.
Look at his eyes. He reminds me of Mimi.
Really?
Like when he was tiny, no?
Yeah. But he was 3 years in this. Like he was 3 years when he was like this.
Jumbo.
Look at him. Jumbo.
This was so crazy. Because I had no idea how to pet a cat, and he just came and slept. Like I didn't go near him. He just came and slept there, and it was like he was teaching us how to pet him. See? Wobbly. So wobbly.
ऐसे लग रहा था he had already accepted us.
Yeah.
The first day itself.
Wobbly. Look at that. So cute. Wobbly. So tired. But look at his biscuits. He liked it so much.
He's like that only even now. Chumpu.
सच में उसकी बॉडी कितनी छोटी थी उसके सर के हिसाब से.
यस.
कुछ था ही नहीं.
कुछ था ही नहीं बेचारे के. एक तो न्यूटर हो गया था तो इतना वो नशे में था.
But that is why he has that food insecurity वाला चीज ना. क्योंकि देखो उसको. We don't know कि उसका past 3 years कैसा था.
कहाँ से आया, कैसे खा रहा था.
Maybe he was hungry for days.
Yeah.
Chimpy.
It was first day only when he tried to come out. No?
Yes.
First night, I think.
Yep. And I remember messaging Diane, and then she told me that if he wants to come out, you can bring him out. I remember her saying that, but it's usually better to keep them in for the night. So I
He
don't remember.
explored
What
so
did we
much.
do? Did we bring him
I
out the
think
night or the
no, I
morning?
think it was the next day evening. If I
Evening.
somewhere around noon, I think.
Because I think we do have that video too,
First
where
night
we
we-
opened the door for him.
Yeah.
And yes, he was inside because there's no toy in this, right?
Yeah.
But
exactly.
next day we were playing with him inside with the
we
ball.
opened the
and
door and then he started
No,
going in
before
every
that.
room.
Before that, we had him inside the bathroom and we had the post that Diane gifted us. So that was
Oh,
another
yes.
crazy thing. We had no
Yes.
idea that cats need a scratch post or what
Yes,
kind.
yes.
So Diane literally directly ordered it from Amazon to our house.
So
for him.
crazy. Yeah, they were really helpful. देखो,
I don't think we could have done it without
first litter उसका जो आया था जो इतना एक्सप्लोर करना था उसे unlike Mimi, उसका face
वैसा ही है,
he
देखो ना,
he already
वैसे-
wanted to get out.
Exactly. But you see, there's no toys in this now.
No.
So next day
nothing.
morning, we were playing inside the bathroom. I remember.
Oh,
I have
right,
videos of it.
Right.
And then we took him out.
Yes.
So we did keep him that night inside.
Yeah, one night he was.
I don't
inside and
remember.
then the
Did we
next
spend-
day he was out.
Did we spend the whole night there or what happened?
You did, I think.
Maybe like I did it till morning and then you were a morning person, so you came in. देखो उसको पानी चाहिए उसको बहता हुआ पानी चाहिए he
बहता हुआ।
always wanted flowing water not still water
No. Preferences were clear since day one.
Molo boy.
Dekho, he wants to get out again. He knows there is something outside that door.
Yeah, he came in from there, you see. Look at this. See, he's just-
Kids.
I had no idea how to pet a cat.
Yeah. It was so funny that he was not scared since
Look
like
at him.
it was all new to him
He's
and he was
making
still not
biscuits.
scared at all.
That's true. Aww.
Probably same features like us that he was calm. He got a calm atmosphere and then he was calm as well.
That's what I think. He just wanted to feel safe.
Yeah, exactly.
But how can he
Look at
trust
that.
us, right?
His stomach was shaved
Mm-hmm.
because he was neutered. He's this size only, I think, even now. It's just he's become a bit.
Bit.
बड़ा, but not that different. Like उसका मुंह अभी भी बड़ा है. If you see this, इतना ही है उसका. मुंह,
Exactly.
वैसा ही
That's what I was saying. That उसका मुंह बड़ा है, उसकी body छोटी थी.
Body छोटी थी.
So that kind of looks like he was malnourished.
Yeah.
He's just a big cat.
He's a big cat. Yes.
Chumpu. See, I had no idea what I was doing, but I just cannot explain what I was feeling this time pe, because I think you went down to like drop off Shelly. and
Yeah,
all the stuff.
basically when she came, I think she dropped off all
and
the
all
things.
the paperwork. Yeah, you were
She
taking
gave
care
us
of
the
that.
paperwork and then I went downstairs to see her off and till then you were in the bathroom
Right.
with her.
Yep,
with
this
him.
is that. This is that time.
This is
The
that
first time I was alone. With him.
Exactly. And the reason why she wanted us to have putting in a smaller room is so that he feels safe because there isn't not many distractions, right? Not many unknowns.
Usually,
basically.
that's how they recommend that you introduce a new cat to
Yeah.
your old cat or to a new house.
True.
Is to first keep them in a small room, preferably like a bathroom or a or a studio room
Yeah.
where you can keep his litter and food and bed. That's it.
Chimpo.
And water.
And water.
But it has to be a ventilated
Yeah,
space.
of course. It cannot be
But
claustrophobic.
do you remember we emptied the closet?
Yeah.
We were like, oh yeah, this is
Even
this is
closet
fine.
would do, but then
Not the
there
one
was
we
no
had.
Ventilation. There was no ventilation.
It was too small.
Yeah, it was.
It was
No, it
too-
was still bigger than the bathroom. It was still bigger
No,
than the bathroom.
I'm speaking about. I think you forgot the shoe closet in front of our door.
No,
That's
not
where we were
that.
gonna.
Yeah,
we
that's
we
where were
emptied
planning.
the
Yeah,
whole
that
thing.
closet. Yeah,
And then Shelly is like, no, let's keep it
Yeah,
in the
no.
bathroom. Because it just was so funny. We were that naive. We did not.
we didn't even know.
That clueless. Not naive, but clueless.
Yeah,
Look at
initially we
him.
thought that
Look at
we'll
him.
Use the walk-in closet
Yep.
to put his litter and his bed and everything.
We need the ventilation wala. We just skipped the ventilation.
We just needed to spend some time with him to understand what he needs.
He told us what he needs.
Exactly.
Look at this. See, look at me
True.
trying really hard. I had no idea where to keep my hand. Because I just knew how to pet dogs. I'm like, somewhere.
Yeah, you wanna take it?
Don't bite
take
me.
my.
Look at it, poor thing.
Respectfully, please keep
That
it down.
was so bad. But see, he
It's not
still
like
let
that.
me touch him. See?
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
And then look. He's like, oh, I hope she didn't feel offended. I want to show her that I still like her.
Oh, oh,
He's like, look at this. Look
so
what he
much.
does now.
Yeah, he does this. I know.
And he does this. Oh my god, I cannot tell you. See, look at me not understanding.
You know, this is how I did. I pet a dog when I met someone like recently.
Yeah, you can't
I pet a dog
switch.
like I would pet how I pet pudding now.
Like this. Oh my god, I really don't remember how to pet dogs now.
Look at his paws.
So cute. Oh, your wobbly. I can't believe we
Since
got
then,
this on
he's
camera.
giving this much love to us.
Every single day.
It is crazy.
Just because we give him food. That's it.
That is it.
Oh, wobbly. He was so tired.
उसका कितना अच्छा लगता था मेरे को ये कंबल.
But he
जो
didn't
आया
like
था.
it.
He didn't like. Of course, it
Afterwards,
reminds
yeah.
him of that old days, no.
But I have it. We still have it somewhere. It's popular.
Everything was going round.
Yep. So crazy, right?
So crazy. This was the first day.
As a foster.
As a
At this
foster.
time-
it's not even like we knew that
Yep.
he would stay with us. It was more like he was just a foster. So crazy.
Like, I don't think we both and him knew. Like, all three of us knew that
Yeah.
we were going to stay forever. But somehow we knew.
Somehow we knew, yeah.
But we didn't. But we knew.
It's only when they pushed us to get his photographs
For adoption.
for adoption.
Oh my god. But
तब हमने
at
फिर
this
officially
night,
किया.
we definitely had no
Yeah,
clue.
this night we didn't know. Yes. Oh look, he does it since then.
Lovely.
Oh, Chumbo.
I can't believe
He's
that we
doing
just
this
found
even
him.
now.
We just
even
found-
after 3 years. he
Three
has
and a
still-
half.
3.5 years that he is still with us. Even now he does the same thing.
So this was, I think, September 30th or something.
Yeah.
And then we fostered him and decided that we will officially adopt him on October 12th,
Yep.
2022.
Crazy.
What do you want to say about the experience so far with pudding?
It's amazing. He has brought a lot of love and a lot of calmness in our lives when we needed it. So I'm just really happy to have him in our life.
Very grateful.
Very grateful.
I think he rescued us.
Yeah, it's more the other way around, where he rescued us than us rescuing him. We both found somebody who we can trust in each other, which is so awesome. Even now it's the same.
Mr. Caramel Pudding.
Mr. Caramel Pudding.
We love you.
Hello. Bye.
Bye.